Attention all flight crew members, flight is go for launch.
It's been just over a month since Flight 5. Goal is to get that turnaround time down to hours.
We have liftoff.
Stage separation.
30 seconds until catch decision.
Booster offshore diver.
Tune in and watch the ship fly around planet Earth.
Relight demo startup. And shutdown.
Starship is at 100 kilometers altitude. Flaps now have control of the vehicle. Starship has started the subsonic belly flop. Starship has landed.